Name is Kaiyue, and this is a CNN project I'm doing. So first, a overview of the progress. I was not able to do the digital localization because I did not have enough time to get satisfactory results. But for the classification, I got a maximum of 98% accuracy on test set. Um, so the meat of the project is that I'm trying to classify the digit sequence in one shot instead of separating each digit and classify them separately. So this idea could come from Ian Goodfellow. Um, so basically, we can um, classify the different features like the length of the digit, the first digit, second digit to the fifth digit, and we're not considering digit more than 5 for simplicity purpose. Then we basically only need to train a separate linear classifier on top of the final feature layer, which was trained by the deep convolutional network, and then we can get the results. Um, so the actual results are pretty good in that we have we 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 cropped out I cropped out different real images, um, and they have different sizes, different shapes, different colors, different orientations, and they both got correct results. However, there are some failure cases. For example, the left one is vertical oriented, and the right one is very skewed, which affect the classification results. Um, so the main takeaway for this project is that through training, so I learned a lot from training the CNN, and I realized that like batch sizes influence the bumpiness of the loss function, and we don't don't want it to be too small in that it will make the loss function too bumpy, and we also don't want it to be too large because we want our uh, network to generalize very well. And also, um, I realized that batch normalization dropout and generally deeper network is a good method to prevent overfitting, because for this task we have a lot of data and it's very easy to overfit the architecture. And the final one is that you get what you put in that I examine the data set, and there isn't a lot of, like, for example, vertically oriented data um, that cause that classification error. So the future improvement of this project is that I should perform more data augmentation and collect more data on different angles and orientation to make the classifier better. And also, I would want to train a separate digit detection network for image localization uh, to make it work, basically, hopefully. Yeah, thank you very much.